I am Lilly Poon. I know Linda more than 20 years from friends of friends, but I did not really work on any kind of business until maybe past 10 years. And she is a very, very nice person to work with. Always think things for me. When I deal with her any kind of realty transaction, she's my agent, but ends up like a friend. She always is thinking in my point of view. And anytime I have any kind of issue, she always says, don't worry about it, I will take care for you. So release a lot of stress for me. I'm not young, okay? I'm 79 years old, so I cannot have all those kind of stress. She helps so much for me. For example, okay, one of the case on the COVID time, you know, that time all the deals almost have a lot of trouble. Surprised me, and I never in my life experienced that. After maybe 6 weeks, she said, I buy it with the least price. I said, huh? You know, you are the agent. She says, I want to help you. And she says she wants to help me, okay, because I'm senior. She wants to reduce all the possible stress I can help. You know, I get it. I thought she's joking, but she really did. But after she take over, she did a lot of modeling, remodel, okay, try to put the market again. Of course, she's a realtor. She don't want to hold the property, right? She bought mine in July 2022. She didn't sell until November. Every month after she got the listing, I keep watching because I feel bad if she didn't sell and let her lose money. So with all the remodeling, with all the finalized things in November sold, a big relief. But I know she didn't earn any money on that. But the whole thing is she do backwards for me. I believe she do for all her clients. She's very, very easygoing people, very friendly, with always a smile. So almost you see her immediately, you reduce all the stress. So the whole thing, we just want to, like me, I want to get out of my shoulder because that was my rental property. So COVID time giving me lots of problem, okay. Then later on, I almost did, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 listings with her, okay. So that's one of them, okay. And the 2024, I sold another one, she just get done. So happy. Even I refer one of them to my friends, okay. Okay, then my friends says, wow, she's so good, so forth, so on. And the deal very fast sold and everything. So she's really a good agent. Besides, for agent and client relationship, now we even is a best friend.